Hello guys, so this is the GK61 unboxing. This is a keyboard and the keycaps switch. This is a cable and there's nothing else. So this is a keyboard. Sounds nice. Sounds nice. Everything is good. I think this is blue switches. Yeah, it is. I think so. Because on Amazon I picked it. Blue switches. I saw. I bought the keycaps. It's white and it's blue. It's really good. It matches with my white mouse. If you want to see my white mouse video, it's not the video too short. If you want to see it, then look at my YouTube shorts. Okay. I'll check on you later because it's gonna take a long time. After guys, it looks pretty nice. And it's like white here and blue. I love that. So with the mouse, yeah, it looks really good. I thought it was going to be like okay, but it's really good. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.